Northern Colorado IMRG. Glenwood Springs Loop Ride. Day 1. July 29, 2023. This is day 1 of our adventure where we begin in Loveland, Colorado, and ride across the Trail Ridge Road and Rocky Mountain National Park to Granby. We then traveled through Kremmling and down to Leadville. Finally we headed a bit north to Red Cliff where we spent the first night. We embarked on a thrilling 3-day 2-night motorcycle journey, tracing a scenic 600-mile loop from Loveland, Colorado to Glenwood Springs and back. It was an exhilarating road trip showcasing the region's breathtaking scenery and diverse terrain. We met early at Jack's West in Loveland, eager to enter Rocky Mountain National Park before 9 a.m. to avoid requiring a park entrance reservation. We rode up Big Thompson Canyon to Estes Park, encountering meandering traffic the closer we got to the town. In Estes, we headed to the park entrance on Fall River Road. We chose this entrance despite construction and a single open station, gambling that most people would follow the Park Service's recommendation to use the Beaver Meadows entrance. Our gamble paid off. The line at Fall River was short and we entered the park in minutes. The road began a steady climb, taking us through a forest of aspen and ponderosa pine trees. As we gained elevation, the trees thinned, and the views became more and more spectacular. At tree line, the road emerged onto the alpine tundra, a vast windswept landscape of meadows and rock formations. This fox ran out in front of us as we approached the summit. Fall River Pass sits near the highest point on Trail Ridge Road. The 11,796-foot mountain pass is located on the Great Continental Divide, and is home to the park's Alpine Visitor Center and Fall River Pass Ranger Station. We stopped in Kremmling to fuel up our motorcycles and then headed down the street to have lunch at the Grand Old West, a popular restaurant housed in a historic building that was once a saloon. We hung up our helmets and stepped inside and were greeted by the friendly staff. The interior is decorated in a Western theme and has a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it a great place to relax and enjoy a meal with friends. We passed the Green Mountain Reservoir, a sparkling oasis formed by damming the Blue River. Just before reaching Leadville, we turned north onto a small unassuming highway to our Red Cliff destination, where we would spend the night. Cliff is a hidden gem of a town located about 25 miles north of Leadville. It is a small town with a population of just over 250 people, but it is rich in history and natural beauty. We learned of this remote town from Jim and Michelle, who discovered it on one of their adventures. Red Cliff was founded in 1879 during the Colorado silver boom. The town quickly became a thriving mining community, but the boom ended in the early 1900s. Today, Red Cliff is a quiet mountain town that is popular with outdoor enthusiasts and history buffs. We ended the evening with dinner at Mango's across from our hotel, and the only restaurant in town. In the morning we would head to Glenwood Springs and on up to Yempa, just south of Steamboat Springs.